And now we got an assignment and to create storyboard for your own app. So now, as you went throughout how to create story-centered design and why we actually need it, you have a chance to create it by yourself. Don't procrastinate. Don't log into your Facebook or Twitter account. Just grab a piece of paper and pen and start drawing your app story. Draw how the user is going to use your app, how he or she is going to navigate through all your app screens, what he should do to achieve his goal in your app. It shouldn't be a well-designed story. You don't need to be good at drawing to design them. Just look at my storyboard of Newsreader app. It doesn't look great, doesn't it? The main idea is to understand how the user is going to navigate through your app screens. Nothing more, nothing special. I hope you will accomplish it, and I hope I will see you in the next lesson where we are going to sketch our app.